Ladies and gentlemen, i4.0 is here. We look forward to working closely together with all of you to a successful partnership on driving reindustrialization, empowered by i4.0 in transforming Hong Kong into an international innovation center.
We agreed that research and development could be a key factor in these relations. Back then, I promised you to do my best and bring one leading German research center to Hong Kong. And here we are.
Hong Kong PC has been providing steadfast support to the local industries to upgrade their production process and promote reindustrialization. I encourage Hong Kong enterprises to make good use of the services of Hong Kong PC and the Invention Center to move up the value chain.